Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 LARIAT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, mobile office package, bed utility package, and the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get some rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a lovely Pro-Access tailgate, which allows you to have easier access to your bed with a nice Bedliner. You do get hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. 120-volt outlet right there, which is pretty nice. You can turn on your bed lights. More hooks on that side. Measurements on your tailgate as well, which is pretty handy. And it is powered, so it will go up and down automatically. And let's just say you're holding stuff with your hands and you want to lift up your gate. All you have to do, knee it up, and it will go up automatically. We got mud flaps on the rear. A nice black gripped running board with mud flaps on the front, side view cameras, spotlight and turn light indicated, blind spot detection. Moving to the front, we have a black hood deflector with front park sensing. We do get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, flat fold storage system, cup holders, 2 heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, rear vents, and 120 volt. And of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. And lifting up your seats, you do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a powered driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. We have our auto stop, auto start, lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left hand side, with memory seating for up to 3 drivers, and your power door mirrors. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 187 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, which is also heated, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have My View, trip and fail, your heads-up display, which will show up right around here. It just limits your distractions so you can keep your eyes on the road, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select. It is speeds, it is collapsible, storage, cup holders, wireless charging pad with some outlets, and it does close. Leather wrap center console that does turn into an interior work surface, which you can put your laptop here, your food, totally up to you. You do get your normal storage underneath as well. Rear locking diff with your drive modes and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist with heated and cooled front seats, dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below, storage right here as well, with a nice powered rear window opener. We also do get our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and you do get a nice garage door transmitter. Here we do get a 360 view of our vehicle as well, and you can change the camera angles, hazards, and traction, and we do get Ford's Blue Cruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving, and you got your park sensing just right here as well, which is pretty handy. You can turn it on or off. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting, power tailgate, and any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings right here as well, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB19536, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.